In this video, I want to share the very best website to make money from home. Even if you're brand new to making money from home, this is the website you need to see. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I've been making money from home full-time for over 20 years now, and it's evolved to the point where I don't even have to be home to do it. With the website I'm going to share, you can make money from anywhere you want to be in just a few hours per week. See, the website does all the work. It really leverages your time. I even make money with this while I'm skiing in the winter or sailing in the summer. If you've been looking for a home business, I'm sure you've found that there are all kinds of make money from home opportunities out there. Unfortunately, too many of them are just plain lousy. You know, the ones you see all the time. Things like taking surveys, writing articles, or renting out your stuff. I'm yet to meet the first person who's made significant money that way. What I'm going to share has proven to be the fastest and easiest way yet to make money, real money in minimal time. And again, it's done online. You don't even have to be home to do it. I use this unique website to promote a simple business opportunity, one that's really different from all the others. No talking to people, no bugging friends, no explaining anything. I just give them the website. When I first looked at this business, I was actually looking for an additional income stream or maybe a lead magnet for our team to use. It has become my primary focus. It's that good. So if you're already in another business, I still encourage you to take a look. It's so simple. All you do is send people to the website. Anyone can do that, and it only takes minutes a day. You can make money fast. Many make money in their first 24 hours. Better yet, it pays recurring income too. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. It is the lowest cost home business I know of. You don't have to buy anything. So here's how it works. When people get to the website, they see a short video that shares an almost irresistible, high converting offer. A home business unlike any other. People see it and want it right on the spot. The video encourages people to grab a free spot on my team so they can kind of test drive the business and start building an income while they're checking it out. And that's before they've even invested a dime. Well, it's pretty hard to say no to an offer like that. That's what makes it so powerful. Check it out for yourself. Go to my website at wannalivebetter.com. Go there now. We'll talk soon.